Welcome back to this special edition of the Nightly News. It's now time for your business report. Pepsi-Cola Jamaica has spent $30 million to expand its production facilities. The company opened the new line Tuesday morning. Of beverages including Ting, and the company which bottles Pepsi and Ocean Spray cranberry juice locally, Pepsi-Cola Jamaica, has expanded. Over the last 8 months, the firm has spent $22 million for the acquisition of new equipment and $8 million on the remaining infrastructure for a new production line.
I would like to congratulate the management and staff of Pepsi Jamaica on this remarkable and bold leap forward, as this facility increases production capacity by 60%. The new production line has created additional jobs, representing a 20% increase in the company's workforce.
The new facility positions the company to become a regional distribution hub for a number of its products. Over the last 12 months, Pepsi-Cola Jamaica faced some challenges meeting the local demand for some of its beverages. The company's commercial director, Luz Tejada, says that will now be a thing of the past.
It's a new beginning. Over the year, we'll be struggling in terms to supply the local demand of Jamaica with our portfolio, and also the international demand that we have. We had many issues trying to supply that demand, and now we're going to duplicate our capacity. We have to basically decide what to produce because our capacity was to the maximum, so we have to decide. And Pepsi is Pepsi for Jamaica, so sometimes some flavors like tea or ginger beer were sacrificed, and now finally we're going to go to the market and supply all our production.
She says some new innovations are being developed and other beverages will be returning to the market.
We're going to come back with Pepsi 12 ounce, the small one. I know people have been asking for that. Also, Boba is coming back, which is the 500 ml. In juice category, we're going to bring Lipton to the country and also different flavors for Gatorade.
The Jamaican dollar made ground after the Bank of Jamaica pumped $30 million into the foreign currency market on Tuesday. Now, 7 banks and 5 cambios were successful in their bids. Now, after hitting its lowest value since the start of the year, compared to the American dollar on Monday, the Jamaican dollar gained 60 cents. It now costs an average $156.83 for $1. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.06, $190.51 is the average cost for the pound, while the euro is going for $170.50. And the JSE index gained 1,172 points today, while the junior market index advanced by a point. Leading the 39 advances were JMMB Group 7.25%, Variable Cumulative Redeemable Preference Shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Jamaican Dollar Shares and Cargo Handlers, as well as Mayberry Investments. The 44 losers were led by Productive Business Solutions 9.75% shares, ISP Finance Services, Jadcon Corporation, or parent company Radio Jamaica, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. Now 13 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading. And that's it for your business news. Up next is sports.